The macebell 360 is the fundamental exercise of all steel mace training, and it looks like this. And it's a great little exercise for opening up the shoulders, really working your strength and endurance through an extreme range of motion. Now, it mainly comes in 4 parts. What we're going to do is do a metronome, do a high guard, drop into a pendulum, to another high guard out the other side, and pull down to the belly button. However, a lot of people do tend to go wrong and keep the hands up really high. So what we want to do is lift, drop the hands behind the nape of the neck, and then pull across the body to come down. So we are limiting, rather than being a pull forward, we drop in from the side, we pull out from the side. And a little tip I got from Matt Shaw at Macebell Training UK is to imagine you've got a peak cap on and you've got to knock the cap off and put the cap back on. So your fist comes up, knock the cap off behind the head, put the cap back on. In your program, do those 360s for the time or reps prescribed.